Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. There are those who crave city life and those who crave a quieter existence, and this is the life one will have at Pigeonville. Pigeonville is a beautiful Stony Hill home with charm and character. Located on the Long Lane side of the hill, just up from Red Gallery, you will find this spacious 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom home with a 1 bedroom cottage. The house comes furnished, however, some pieces of the furniture may be removed if desired. The property boasts a beautiful view of the city, straight out to the port of Kingston from all angles. Special features of this house are the pool with its expansive deck, the jacuzzi, the terraced gardens, the home office, dog kennels, electric gate, koi pond, and much more. Call today to set your sight on this remarkable home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The monthly rental price for this house is US 3,800 or Jamaican $604,600. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.